Hi there, and welcome again. Step into clear, confident financial English through the use of essential phrasal verbs used in workplace communication. Let's dive straight into sale, close down definition, to successfully finalize a sale. Synonym, conclude. Example, the sales team managed to close down the deal just before quarter end. Follow through definition. To complete the sales process after initial contact, synonym, complete. Example, strong salespeople always follow through on their commitments to clients. Reach out definition, to initiate contact with a potential client. Synonym, contact. Example, the team reached out to new prospects via LinkedIn. Sound out definition, to explore a client's interest or opinion. Synonym, probe. Example, he sounded out the client before presenting the proposal. Talk through definition, to explain details step by step. Synonym, explain. Example, she talked the client through the pricing structure. Layout definition, to present information clearly and logically. Synonym, present. Example, the consultant laid out the full value proposition during the pitch. Point out definition, to highlight key features or benefits. Synonym, highlight. Example, he pointed out the long-term return on investment of the solution. Zero in on definition, to focus on a specific need or opportunity. Synonym, focus on. Example, the team wants to zero in on high-value clients in the sector. Size up definition, to assess a client or opportunity quickly. Synonym, evaluate. Example, experienced salespeople can size up a prospect within minutes. Push for definition, to strongly advocate for closing a deal. Synonym, urge. Example, the account manager pushed for a decision before month end. Hold back definition, to delay or hesitate in making a decision or offer. Synonym, hesitate. Example, the client held back due to budget concerns. Back out of definition, to withdraw from a deal. Synonym, withdraw. Example, the buyer backed out of the agreement at the last minute. Trade up definition, to persuade a customer to buy a more expensive option. Synonym, upsell. Example, the salesperson successfully traded the client up to a premium package. Throw in definition, to add extra value or incentives to close a deal. Synonym, include. Example, they threw in free onboarding to secure the contract. Mark out definition, to identify or designate target customers or markets. Synonym, identify. Example, the team marked out key accounts for the new campaign. Build on definition, to develop further from an existing relationship or success. Synonym, expand. Example, the company built on its existing client base to increase sales. Tap into definition, to access or leverage a market or resource. Synonym, utilize. Example, the firm tapped into emerging markets for growth. Reach for definition, to aim for higher targets or goals. Synonym, aim for. Example, the team is reaching for ambitious quarterly targets. Lock in definition, to secure a deal or agreement firmly. Synonym, secure. Example, they locked in a long-term contract with the client. Sell through definition, to sell products completely within a given period. Synonym, clear stock. Example, the company sold through its entire inventory during the promotion. If you found this useful, feel free to like and share. And just in case I don't see you again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.